Hey guys, thanks for watching my videos. Subscribing to my YouTube channel, and if you find me on Facebook, go ahead and inbox me there, or you can always email me at Cory@CoryDraper.com. All my info will be somewhere, probably just below this video, okay? Now, you're probably watching this video because you're interested in joining or you're already in Live Good, okay? Right now, we're a couple days in to 2025, and you got to admit, probably by Halloween, back in October, you started snacking on Snickers and chocolate and candy. I'm guilty of that. And then you get into Thanksgiving a month later and you're into turkey and gravy and just calories. Okay, hey, I'm right there. And then you get into Christmas and somehow New Year's. Even like if you drink beer or chips, Doritos, whatever, everything has calories. It's impossible to eat without just probably getting high blood pressure, diabetes, and exploding. All right. For some reason, all the best food out there that's probably affordable, it is not healthy. Isn't it sad that most healthy, really cool things that we should eat is probably 3 to 4 times more expensive? Okay. Wouldn't it be nice if you could just snack on a big old how about a bag of Doritos with melted cheese on it? And ooh, man, I'm ready to party and watch football. But you guys know that when you look down right now, hold on, I'm going to look down. Not as big as it used to be, but my stomach is. Okay. You probably gained a little weight, and it's all right. Everybody probably. I mean, there's probably like 3 people that didn't gain weight October to present day as I sit here, a couple days into 2025. A lot of people are going to start searching how to get in shape. And it could be related to diabetes, blood pressure, or you're just not, you look at yourself and when you brush your teeth naked, does your butt cheeks and everything just like gets all over the place? Like you're just brushing and man boobs and just crazy stuff. Okay. I mean, literally go like this right now. And does your stomach move like 4 or 5 times even though you only did the shimmy once? All right. So if you shimmy once, and your stomach and butt cheeks shimmy 4 times, all right, we probably should worry about getting in shape. Maybe going to the gym. Most people want to. And those that do, probably only 7 out of 10 really do something. And then you lose interest after 3 months, it always seems like. But I think that if you can afford some really nice products to put in your guts, to make it, and it makes a difference. You might lose weight. You might just feel better. Your complexion, your hair. There's a lot of cool things that we sell at Live Good that will probably benefit you. And the best way to tell is just order our products, be a member because you'll get wholesale pricing. And then on top of that, you have 3 months. All right. Can you see my little fingers? 1, 2, 3. You have 90 days to use every product that you buy. Even if it's empty, send the wrapper back, the container back. If you buy CBD oil, send the empty little, what are these called? I don't know, little rubber things. I always put in my, oh God, that feels so good. When you get a little dog or even a big dog, it could be a pit bull, and you just rub their ears. Even if they want to attack and eat you, you just rub a dog's ears. It'll be your best friend. That's why I like the CBD. I really don't give a rat's ass about the CBD oil. I just buy it for the little black nipples, and I put them in my ear and do the twist. And right now my leg is going like this. Like when you kind of pet a dog and go, good buddy, his leg starts freaking out. That's kind of what happens when I do this with my CBD. But guess what? Even if I pour all the little juice out of this bottle and I just send it back to Jupiter, Florida within 90 days, I get a full refund. Because Live Good's like, look, if you don't like our products or you're broke and need money or you just think they're boring and they didn't really give you the effect that you want, then get your money back and go buy a product and see if you get better results somewhere else. You can't ask for a better policy, guys. 90. And there's no receipt. There's no waiting in line. Because if you buy from Live Good, obviously you probably had a debit card, a credit card. Maybe you paid with cryptocurrency. Everybody has a different form of payment. But get your money back, seriously. That's one of my favorite things about this company. Now, most people don't realize this because most people that are in Live Good, they don't promote this link. And I'm as guilty as anybody. Because today I was looking at my Live Good website and I go, God, I never click Live Good Clinic. Okay, so guys, if you're in Live Good, I'm going to shrink up here. All right, this is the products tab. But if you go down the old menu here, you'll see leaderboard and webinars and statistics and all this cool stuff. But when you get to Live Good Clinic, this is for people that really want an opportunity to lose weight for real. Okay, everybody has heard of Ozempic. And if you have probably heard of semaglutide. And this one is tirzepatide. All right, do you guys know the tirzepatide? Okay, she has. Look at her, man. She's just smiling. She probably went to the dentist. Look at that. Perfect teeth. All right, and I wish I had her skin. She's probably only 19, where my shirt that I'm wearing is 19 years old. I'm jealous. But anyway, guys, if you are in Live Good, currently in Live Good, will you please click Live Good Clinic and read? Look at the pricing that you can offer people. All right, both these products here, guys, they work. They're outstanding, and people that have heard of Ozempic, which is probably the most popular term to lose weight now, is right here, semaglutide with the tirzepatide. Okay, now when people click, it says see if you qualify. Guys, all you got to do is just fill out the information. All right, and of course you need a doctor and a prescription, and you got to follow the advice of whoever is going to get back to you, or if you go contact someone and actually want these products, because right now I'm telling you straight up, it's $179 for the semaglutide. That is a smoking deal, guys. All right, so with Live Good, we can really bring value to people that really, really, really need to lose weight, and I mean for real. Okay, weight loss is tough. I mean, 9 out of 10 people, they don't lose weight, not unless they probably lost their leg, or I don't know, somehow maybe their man boobs fell off. But most people struggle with weight loss and gain their entire life, especially now in 2025, because food is so good, and sugar and calories. Okay, so if you like these products, just go ahead and click either one where it says see if you qualify, and just follow the website, guys. It's real easy. Everything is done online. Okay, and why not save money? All right, if you're going to buy these products, guys, you're going to go through thousands and thousands of bucks. All right, just go online and see how much these products are, or call your doctor if you have like a health and nutritional person that you can call, or maybe you do have a legit doctor that can say, look, if we do get you on these products, and I think that you need to use these products, this is how much it's going to cost. Okay. The nice thing about Live Good is you know exactly how much those products are going to cost if you qualify and you really do want to buy those products to get yourself a little more slim and sexy. Okay. I never think of promoting the products that we just talked about. I never do. And I'm kind of bummed out about that, because it can really help a lot of people not only lose weight and get healthy, but save money. Okay, there's enough profit when it comes down to health and nutrition, and every company the last couple of years have made billions. You never hear trillions, but you know what? What's the difference? Billions, trillions. It's so much money, so much profit in medicine and healthcare and whatnot. But why not save some darn money? Okay, and I want to promote a lot more about the weight loss thing, because right now in the next couple months, I think most people, they made a commitment in 2025 to get in shape and feel better, or obviously losing weight. Okay, I'm going like this because I feel like I got Dolly Parton things like, and I do right now. If I just take my shirt off and I do the little shimmy, I'd probably get kicked off YouTube because they'd think I'm a topless dancer, right? Working hard for that money at Cheetah's. Okay. Is Cheetah's still around? It was a big old dance strippy club in Las Vegas. I'm sure it still is. Or is it called Panthers? Do you like strip club names? It's like Cheetah's. Come on down to, Jumbo's Clown Room. That was the best. I used to live in Los Angeles and did some film work down there. And there was a place called Jumbo's Clown Room, if I remember right. It's where Courtney Love, the singer, and some other famous people, they were doing this, working hard for the money before they got famous, rocking out or acting. Okay? Jumbo's Clown Room. God, I haven't thought of this in 35 years. Okay, guys, I like to promote health and losing weight and saving money, and evidently Jumbo's Clown Room, all in one video. So, okay. I forgot to turn, if you hear beeping in the background, whenever I do live videos, people always type questions. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Guys, I don't mind. Get a hold of me if I can help you. Find me on Facebook, inbox me. As far as email, Cory at CoryDraper.com. All right, I've had that email 35 years. And a lot of people just get a hold of me through YouTube. If you're watching my video, if you comment on the bottom of my video somewhere, I get, just something pops here on my cell phone. And, once I get a couple minutes, I'll gladly type you back. All right, my fingers are pretty darn cool, man. I could be a secretary, a little hairy secretary in Kiss t-shirts, okay? All right, guys, thanks again for your time. Get a hold of me if I can help you. And I appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And right now, my buttons are just popping like crazy. Okay, thank you, guys. We'll talk to you next video. Bye.